Students, myself Vishnu Samotia, Faculty of Education and Methodology, Jayoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University Jaipur. Practical session, determination of iodine value and saponification value of fats and oil. Students, saponification of value of fat and oil are material requirement is fats and oil, count oil, sunflowers oils and conical flask, 100 ml beaker, weight balance, dropper, reflex condenser, boiling water bath, glass pipette 25 ml and burette. Students reagents requirement are ethanolic KOH 95% ethanol, volume by volume solutions and potassium hydroxide 0.5 N and fat solvent, hydrochloric acid 0.5 N and phenolphthalein inductors. So procedures are weight 1 gram of fat is treated beakers and dissolved in about 3 ml of the fat solvents, ethanol ether mixers and quantitatively transferred to the contacts of the beakers the 3 times with a further 7 ml of the solvents and add 25 ml of 0.5 N alcoholic KOH and mix well attached to the reflex condenser. Students, next are the set up another reflex condensers and the as the blank with all other reagents present is except to the fat. And after the place both of the flask in the boiling water bath for 30 minutes and cools to the flask to a room temperature. Okay. After now add to the phenolphthalein indicators to the bath of the flask and treated with 0.5 N SCLs and note down the end point of the blank and test. To after the difference between the blank and test the readings giving to the number of the milliliters of the 0.5 N KOH requirement to saponify the 1 gram of the fat. And next are the calculation of saponification value using the formula. Saponification value or number of fats are milligram of the KOH consumed by 1 gram of fat, and weight of the KOH is equal to normality of the KOH and equivalent weight volume of KOH in liters. So the volume of KOH consumed by 1 gram fat is equal to blank minus test milliliters. So determination of the iodine value. Students, next are determination of iodine value. The iodine value are determined to the substance is the weight of the halogens expressed as the iodine absorbed by 100 part of the weight of the substance. So the quantity of substance used in a determinations should be such that the latest 70% of iodine added the provided in the recommended procedure is not absorbed. So unless the otherwise specified in the monographs, so the quantity of the substance indicated in the following table should be used for the determination depending on the expected iodine value. So the recommended procedures are the place of the quantity of the test substance and weighted to the specified in the monographs in the rate 300 milliliter to 500 milliliter stoppages of the flask and add to the 15 milliliters of the carbon tetrachlorides. R and dissolve the add the 25 milliliters of the iodine bromides and inserts to the stoppers previously. So the moustated of the with the potassium iodide 80 grams and TS sacks and flask greatly and keep and it is a draw of the 30 minutes and unless is otherwise. And specified the monographs add to 20 ml of the potassium iodide and 80 grams liters TS and 150 ml of water and the sack to the constants of the flask titrate with the sodium thiosulfate and adding to the starch TS and number of the milliliter required. So add the same times carry of the operations is exactly the same manners but without the substance beings. So tested are noted to the number of milliliter of a sodium thiosulfate 0.1 milliliters versus requirement. So the other quality of the substance is less than 20. So 1.0, 20 minus 60, 0.5 minus 0.25 and 60 minus 100, and 0.25 minus 0.15 is more than 100. So the calculation of the iodine value of the formula is equal to iodine value is equal to B minus A into 0.01269 multiply 100 divided by weight in gram of substance. Okay students, so formula are determined in iodine value. Okay, thank you.